Weather Service in Taunton has issued a flood warning for northern Bristol County in southeast Massachusetts until 4 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, rivers and streams in northern Bristol County have risen in response to the 4 to 5 inches of rain that fell in the past 24 hours. In particular, the Wading River in Norton has risen above flood stage into minor flood. Some locations that may experience minor flooding include Taunton, Mansfield, and Norton.